Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on to these videos. A very special, guys. In case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So today, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and I'm just over here, guys, enjoying the life, And apart of this apartment, let me tell you guys, this room is well organized, and I sleep very well. I can't complain, although I supposed to jump inside the swimming pool, but I have been told right now they have been treat the water, up to tomorrow. So, and I have the shots here, guys. I was preparing myself when I'm getting out from this room, but the guy told me the water is under treatment. It's around it's take 24 hours, and then maybe when treat at time like this up tomorrow at time like this, and then maybe you squeeze 2 hours ahead. But for this case, guys, maybe I'll go to Indian Ocean. I jump there. So right now, guys, the water is under treatment, and I don't want maybe to risk my life, even I'll show you there. So it's 2.5 meter deep, this one you can swim, but maybe next time when I come back here I'll enjoy. Let me go and look for the money, and then, man, traveling needs somebody to have a lot of money, showing you around here and there. Also, I see an international visitor taking breakfast right there. Wow. It tells you maybe in future I'm gonna build this at my home, when I'm taking my breakfast from this. Maybe, for example, this is my house, and then looking the swimming pool in front of me, man. Yeah, to have a house like this, man, you're ready to go. So also, guys, check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. I'll pin her link on the comment section below. Show her some love, guys. We travel together, and also we experience this life, and also what I believe, if maybe somebody dreaming harder and go hard on dream, it's come to reality. I told you, one day I'll travel, and then the day is here, enjoying. But for the next videos, guys, I think my intro will start at the Indian Ocean, because I see on my last video that I made when I arrived here, people said, "Oh, baby, you're in Mombasa, and then you didn't go to Indian Ocean to swim," and then all kind of message. I replied them, and then guys, be aware, because who knows, I just reached in Mombasa. The following day I shoot the video, my first videos. You wait, guys, calm down, more videos are coming. And then traveling is not an easy thing, it's need somebody to have a lot of money, like taking you around, going to the restaurant, sleeping there, going to the hotel, eating the foods, all's money, man. And also maybe hiring the Uber, motorbike, tuk-tuk. It's need money, nothing for free, like for me, when I come to Mombasa, I just sleep there. I spend one more night, and then I take another means of transport, crossing like the Indian Ocean, come to Diani on this side here. I think this is Kwale County, and then, man, crossing the Indian Ocean, come here, and then it's need me to spend here one more night shooting the videos, taking you to Indian Ocean. I swim, and then I pack my things, heading home. So, bro, it's a nice place. Wow. So we are waiting for the breakfast, and then the time is not on our side. As you go, let me go on top. I see how outside looks like. Yeah, we have the airport on other side, and I'm taking you there, guys, to see the airport, Diani airport. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's very early in the morning here, and we say, God, thank you for this far. Yes, when I'm outside here, I see how people invest, man. Look, they're building a nice home, nice apartment. You know, it tells you one day I'm gonna do something. Wow. We have the airport. I think within here we have the airport, known as Diani airport, because right now I'm in Diani, guys. For those people who are new here, I'm Diani beach. So yesterday, guys, have been given authority. I can film the videos, and I must be very careful, especially like showing people's cars number plate. That one, I don't want like to relate to do that things, because other people need privacy, you know. Yeah, I think I see an aeroplane passing there, you know. Look how people driving, man. Heavy machine. Oh man. Even me one day, guys, I'll drive my own car, you know. Wow, imagine that's coconut tree right there. I think when I go to the Indian Ocean, I'll touch the white soil or sand. Look at this place. And I was sleeping from other side right there. Wow, these are like a fan, you know, right here. Life, it's so good outside here. If somebody have money, you can do what you want to do, you know. If maybe one, he or she doesn't have money, you wanna chill, relax, you know. Look, this pavement, like a walkway or a corridor or a porch, whichever the case, and every room have its own fan. You see right here. Oh my god. So let's go and have something to eat. And then, guys, me, I think on my side, I'll take my breakfast and then I rush up to the Indian Ocean. I experience and then I come back, you know. Well, guys, so right now it's another day. And I wanna look whether I can organize to have a breakfast, guys. Sorry. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm taking you this way, so press the bell right here, like not knocking like in my village, you know, like doing like this. Is to press the bell here, the alarm, you know, and then things will be moving perfect. So, guys, I just wake up in the morning, and I thank God for this life, you know. So we're outside, guys, you know, enjoying and doing something which is recommendable, guys. So for those people who are asking me, hello baby, you came to Mombasa, why don't you go to the beach? Let me tell you guys, I arrived the following day, and then I didn't film the videos. So today I'm gonna take you to the Diani beach. Right now I'm Diani, and then let's explore with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So let's go, guys. Wow. In this case, let's do this, guys, as we go. You know, it's quite early morning, guys. You can see from this side here. Let's go. Let's go and explore. Wow. Right. So guys, I'm on this stuff here, heading this way. Silikwambia jana? Tupeleke nipaone turudi. Pole pole tu. Right. Tuende Diani beach nipaone. Sijana nilikwambia. Umpeleke pole pole sasa. Wow. Yeah. Wow guys, so it's all morning over here. You can see from this side. And I need to explore Palm Beach Hospital right here. Wow. Look, the design of the house right here. Wow. It tells you no joke. Hey. So guys, soon I want to take you to my village. After this, maybe this is my last video. Who knows? Let's go. Okay, we need to put the gas as we go. Alright guys. Galana engines. Okay. Wow. Right. This place guys, so let's go. Wow, to explore with you guys. Hey, I see the guy sketching some shoes here, heading. Wow. Green on this side. Wow. be here. It's my God. Like local stuff then here, chairs, rug, you know, right there. We keep moving. Okay, let's move. Nice place. Look how this environment looks. Very clean, guys, and so beautiful. Wow, I love this. Whoa. Right, you can see this side here. Nice flowers right here. Yeah, local stuff, you know. Look at this side. Hali nimeanza kusikia hiyo hali. Niko karibu. Mabadiliko. So guys, let's go and see. And for those who people asked me, hello baby, just show us swimming in Diani, in Indian Oceans. I'll show you guys. When my time allowed, I'll show you. Look at this place. So beautiful. Faenda mwenyeji tuenda sasa. Okay. Let's pack things. Kiona hii pikipiki inanikumbusha yangu nyumbani. Nimeiacha mpya. Hadi hizi zinatumika? Hizi?
Hizo zinatumika hizo.
Kama zimeharibika.
Lakini hii hapa chini naona ni haribika. Hiyo nyingine naona.
Unakuwa na mtu ndani anakuendesha?
Siko huko ndani.
Guys, that's close to a friend of mine. Yesterday he took me around looking for the food to eat, and then today I found him. I give him a deal. No. Fresh, bro. Poa. Sure.
Karibu bwana.
Asante.
Tumaji select ndio na boat huko kwa enjoy.
Ngoja nikaangalie.
Na boat fresh sana huko, unaenda kwa island sasa hivi kuna snorkeling. Kuna samaki na kuna chai. Hii kamera hii enjoy sana hii. Tutachukua samaki vizuri sana huko.
Sina mshikaji wangu hapa.
Nenda kwa mshikaji hapa. Bariki kitu. Nenda kujibamba huko.
Let's see.
Okay. Na boat yenyewe ndio hiyo kama hiyo kubwa hapo.
Oh, yeah. Tuzungushe. Usirudishe. Nakubaliana na hadi. Haya.
Peleke mgeni wetu kwa enjoy bwana.
Mimi mwenyeji huko.
Sasa mwenyeji ndio kwa enjoy hii.
Haya. Kuna dada fulani ananiambia kifika mida ya saa 3 hivi saa 3 saa 4 maji utakuwa bado haijafika huko. Kifika saa 8 fikaga huko. Wapi hadi huko?
Unaona kaka hapa hii sema songa kidogo.
Oh, yale yanafika huko. Yanakuja hadi huko.
Wao anakuja mpaka waona hapa kwa na mchanga wa maji. Sasa Juma semaje sasa? Ana time
atuzungushe. Shingapi?
Na hiyo boat. Au kwa siku kuzungusha tunaenda pale mnatulia muda ni 1 hour huko ndani.
1 hour. Itabidi tu nipige round maana kwamba nimeacha mwenzangu nyuma. Nitakuja baadaye hapo. Ukiniona tu nimekuja shapata kazi.
Ama basi labda sasa hivi kama kuna haraka ukipandisha ile canoe boat ile ndio kupikisha round vizuri.
Gani? Yeye nimeona huko.
Ile canoe boat kama ile. Ile mango boat. Nibe kuna mjitu pesa kupiga hivi kuna simu
staki sasa zinaweza miko pale. Ikiumana. Twende hivi kwanza. Haya, ukiniona tu niambie. Oh guys, I'm just over here and I think this is the best time. Look, white sand. Oh my gosh. Hey. Ndio mchanga wapo. Unatumia kujenga huko?
Wao wanatumia kujenga.
Let's go and see. In the Indian Ocean, ndio?
Indian Ocean.
Sini. Woo. Na ni kubwa hata uwezi ona hadi uko ng'ambo. Sasa maji yakija hadi hapa, ina maana boti hazifanyi kazi.
Boti zitakuwa zafanya lakini sasa kuna wale watu wadogo ndio wanaswim tu hapa.
Hapa. Watu wakubwa hawezi enda zaidi hapo.
Sasa wakubwa sasa ndio wanaweza enda kule. Kwenye zile boti ambazo zimpashi pale.
Huko?
Watu wanaswim kule. Sasa kuna jamaa yuko pale.
Kwa hivyo maji haiwezi peleka mtu.
Unaona kama huyo jamaa huyo hapo. Hapo kwenye hiyo boti hapo mbele.
Huko? Yule ni mtu?
Hiyo kitu unaona kama ball hiyo.
Guys, I have my tour guide here. Kuna msichana mwingine nitakuja naye hapo. Anaitwa Raish. Ni wa huko.
Ni wa huko?
Niambia tukutane saa 3:30.
Saa asubuhi.
Guys may think I left my mark here. It tells you one day, hello baby, I'm just in Diani beach enjoying. You'll see guys, I just came to explore and see some things and then I go back. Kweli ni raha mtu anaamka kucheza mpira asubuhi. Na kama samaki ni wengi msindio?
Wengi sana.
Leo usikie harufu.
Unaona wale jamaa? Huyu hapa unaona wanaenda huko.
Wapigie mpira huo.
Siwezi piga kwa sababu mguu wangu mbovu. Wapigia.
Sije nikaende nikasink mama yangu. Sikia muoga. Sikia muoga. Sikia. Namsikiza. Found other people going to fish, doing fishing. Sisi hoteli za huku sana zina biashara. Uniambie mtumba mwiko eti hivi. Jamaa akishindwa sana achilia.
Anaachilia.
Faida ya mafuta ya mashine.
Achilia. Kuna jamaa mwingine tulienda naye, kuna bichi nyingine huko.
Wapi?
Kule Msambweni. Akatumia hiyo pondo hiyo. Kuenda kwa katikati hiyo pondo ikavunjika.
Na sasa life jacket hamna. Suna anaachilia tu.
Sasa ilibidi atumie kile kipisi. Wakati tukaenda tukatokezea kwenye mambo nyingine.
Uliona siku ndefu sana.
Ndio bacheki. Ndio akaenda katika pondo nyingine tukarudi huko.
Asi kama huku nyumba ukirentisha huku siku moja ni pesa nyingi sana. Hapa ni kama shilingi 5,000 kwa siku 6. Siku nikiwa vizuri. Nikija huku. Tena nijaribu nitengeneze hela, nikipata hela nzuri na kuja huku sasa.
Kweli. Hapa jua unashuka tayari. Pale wanataka kuutajua.
Hadi wanaenda kutega samaki.
Hao jamaa samaki.
Na yule amekazana ni kama ni mvuvi halisi sana.
Huyo jamaa. Nataka ni wale bwana wale pia. Wana vijana. Anakuwa miwani yake sasa.
Anaenda kutega.
Anatega masamaki pale.
Nani?
Jamaa anaenda kuvua kule.
Na maana kwamba kutoka hapa hadi kiasi fulani si parefu. Kwenda hivi si parefu.
Kwenda ndani?
Sasa huyo afuate yule hadi huko pale.
Lakini pale yani si maji mengi vile ambapo. Lakini maji mengi. Yani hapo yani kama uko mwoga uweze swim.
Mimi labda nitaswim hapa karibu. Siwezi enda mbali. You guys also have some apartment restaurants within the Diani beach, within the Indian Ocean, guys, right here. I can't wait to bring Felicitas here, and also one of my friends, guys. You'll be seeing on these maybe videos or the next vlog. Wow. Let's walk, guys. Can't imagine these sands, guys. Oh, let me do like which one I transport to my home, guys. Totally different, but this one here, it's purely white. And also my friend right here told me we can use this one to make blocks, building. Guys, I'm shocked. How comes? Kwa kwetu inakaa yani rough. Mgumu kweli. Sasa kama uko kwa kupiga plaster huu kama unapaka rangi tu. Wow. Try to imagine, guys. White sand. Jamaa anaenda tu pole pole.
Kuna kitu ametega pale wana. Nini?
Kwanza uzipita hapa hivi huko. Ama waruhusu.
Waweza.
Yeah, guys, let me show you.
Kama watakutana hapo waweza.
Yeah. If maybe one day I have one of my friends just come to Mombasa, maybe I'll take you on this side here. You enjoy. Siadio baadaye mida ya saa 3 hivi na nusu sana hapo ndo utatuleta huko. Wow. See, guys. Hapa itaki ukanyage na maugari mama yangu. Hapa ukweli sasa.
Hapa watu wanaenjoy sana usiku, yani wao kuna taa na watu vinywaji kwenye meza
hapa. Inaitwa Asha Bistro open. Kweli hapo siku inawaka kweli. See, guys, this environment here. Hey, super nice, super cool. I love the fact this place is very, very nice. Si hadi mchana mtu unaweza kunywa kinywaji umekaa hapo. Ama tena watakulipa nini kodio. Okay, guys. I think after swimming, guys, I'll have a rest here within few minutes, drinking my cold like soft drink, and then I go back. See you within here. Wow, that's good. Try. Yani hapa maisha London ni mchanga ni hapa tu. Maji ni hapa tu.
Hapana, hakuna kulemba. Kuenjoy.
Wow. Na kuna zile private swimming pool hapo ndani, si ndio? Kama mtu hataki kwenda nje.
Hapa sijui kama haiko, lakini nadhani haikosi.
Tunaona iko na outlet sema kutoa maji.
Haikosi. Kama ile pale Brisbane ile swimming.
Huko iko.
Ile swimming pool pale. Pale unakaa pale unakunywa huko unaangalia watu wakiendelea.
Okay, guys. It needs maybe somebody to have a lot of money to explore. But for me, I think maybe 3 to 4 days it's enough for me to experience a little bit and then going back home. You know, every day, guys, it's a learning lesson, you know. I just came here for the first time. I'm learning new things. When I'll get enough money, man, I'll take you around. Wow. Look that. Kama amejizingira ndani sana. Hapendi mchezo huyu.
Wewe atakuwa nikao.
Yule anapataga wateja sana.
Napenda wateja.
Maana kwamba mtu anataka semenye watu wanaonekana. Hawa ni wazungu. Hawezi kubali wasalimiwe. Tupite. Sikuja na simu. Sikuja na simu ningepiga nao picha. Au kitambo walikuwa wanatuuza. Napiga picha wanatuuza Marekani. Siku hizi gari sisi tuligundua. Na wanaweza kubali wasalimia.
Wapatie mkono? Sita.
Jambo. Yes. Okay guys. Au kitambo walikuwa wanatuuza. Yeah guys, I see some white people there. Wazungu prize. Na kitambo jamani, nilikuwa natembea hili na mikono, siku hizi nashinda kweli. Mbona huko kuna watu wengi sana huko?
Kule ni bichi nyingine tayari kule.
Oh, ina mpaka?
Hizi bora kama hapa. Kwa nini pale wanajitaji hapa. Kwa Talavas. Alafu pale hapo ni resort.
Hapo.
Hapo pako open hapo. Resort, resort.
Na kule penye tumetoka.
Kule ni Tradewinds. Guys, I think I'm gonna show you the Indian Ocean, guys, from the far end. Sasa kama pia inabidi tuache viatu, ni pagumu. Oh my God. Hii sehemu si ndefu. Si parefu hapo. Sije nika guys, let me step inside here. And then I see. Kumbe ni pagumu. Wow guys, I think I'm gonna show you these things. You may think it's very like deeply. No. Wow. If you know, you know, guys. Oh my God. Look at this. This is water, guys. Let me time here. Whoa. Guys, for the first time I'm standing at Indian Ocean, guys. Try to imagine right here. See, guys, this Indian Ocean, guys. I'm by yourself. Unajua inaweza iacha huko. Because I don't want to do my shot to be wet. You'll see me swimming, guys, later. But on this case, I try to experience, and then I say, you see, guys, from other side going up to there, you can't finish like seeing Indian Ocean. It's biggest, man. Big. You know, you'll see me later swimming here. And then for those people who asking, hello baby, no, I decide in the morning, let me experience. And then going that way, like kids have some partition, like boundary to swim. And for the all, like according to agenda and also age, you can swim. You can't imagine there's some stones, guys, here. We can't imagine, guys. Whoa. Who knows, guys? Please comment on the comment section. More amazing videos coming, so I try to come here very early in the morning and then to see how things go. And this is rocky, man. Rock. Whoa. Okay, guys, I will come and see. Yes. Okay. Kuna vitu vinakaa kama mwiba. Ni sumu zimenidunga. Okay, guys, inabidi unakanyaga na viatu. Nani? Hao jamaa wanasema wawili hapo wanapatana. Ni watatu kama wawili. I see some people swimming on the other side. Right there, guys. Na wataenda hadi ng'ambo ile. Sema maji si mengi sasa hivi.
Sasa hivi si mengi sasa hivi.
Sasa mchana wanaweza swim kweli. Guys, I left my mark here. See. Lakini si hapa, nimesikia hizo vitu zinadunga uchungu.
Hapa huwezi swim. Yaani unaona kwenye wale jamaa wamefikia, sasa ndo na swim fresh.
Maana kama maji si mengi.
Yaani maji pale yani yako level 4. Ya kuswim. Lakini hapo ukicheza hapa anaweza hizi zenze za
kwa hapa ni pa watoto sasa. Maji yamefika huko.
Ndio mida wa maji yake. Hiyo kama saa 8 saa 9 unaona maji yake
mengi.
Sasa ndo watoto wao wanapenda ku swim hapa.
Okay. Wow. Alright, guys, it's time to go back and then gani njia. Okay. Yes. You see the scooter bike right here. And also guys, this road heading to Diani airport, you know. Let's go and see. How might they go? Super amazing, guys. Okay, let's move. Oh guys, subscribe to my channel, give a video a like, comment, and also guys share. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. So to achieve my goal, guys, you know. When we have the bike like this, it helps us to maneuver around, you know. Wow. Doric Cottage. Okay. Right. Guys, this is a purely soft life. See this one here. Hey. Right. Let's move on, guys. I'm showing you amazing view, guys. You know. Right now we change the next route, you know. Ndo tunaenda hivi, si ndio? Okay. Wow. See that stuff right there? move on. Guys, I'm back, and then let's see how our day go. Shingapi sasa? Shingapi? Eh? 200. 200. So nifanyie vizuri bana, tena utanipeleka. Nipe 50. Unajua tena bado nitakuhitaji hapo nipeleke, si nimekwambia. Wewe nitakapokuwa nakuja hapa tu mimi nakuchangia. Sasa pia kwa 50.
Mimi sina kazi, kuna pesa.
Naonekana niko na hiyo. Naweza kuta niko na 150. Umenitembeza bana.
Asante pia.
Nitakwambia. Oh guys, let's go back and then see how our day go. I'm back, guys. Alright guys, it's evening time, and I'm gonna take you outside. So this is my first videos that I'm filming from this place. Wow guys, I'm so happy guys to be here. You know, from my room I see the swimming pool right there. So I think this is the best time to take you outside, although on my side I'm so late. But let's see guys, maybe on the title could be my evening routine, guys, who know. So kindly guys, just subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So right now guys, I'm at Breeze Bay Hotel in Diani. So this is my first vlog, and then let's see, because we have the swimming pool here. It's need you to have some instruments, you know. Okay, and let me take you outside. Wait. Okay guys, just a minute guys. All right guys, it's time to go. Okay. Wow. So let's go outside and we see something special. Fish in a road. Wow. Okay. Reception room. You know, one day you came to Mombasa, and then you may end up no guys. Okay, look there. Introduce yourself. Okay, look for the gates. Introduce.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Felicitas. Yes, subscribe.
Yeah, guys, this is our first videos that we do here ever at Breeze Bay Hotel, right here. Breeze Bay Hotel, you know. All right guys, let's go. We keep moving out, and more amazing videos coming from this side. Yeah, it's by God's grace to be here, you know. Yes.
Like now I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry?
Yeah.
It's because you're not doing work.
Yeah.
You're just sitting making videos, and then boom. How do you see this place? Because every places I see some coconut tree.
Yeah.
You know, I think here it's totally, I think it's cold a little bit because we have the we have what down here?
The beach.
We have the beach.
Yeah.
I think, should I go there, or what do you think?
Not today, maybe tomorrow.
No, there's some KK here. It's 30 bob up to there.
No, we go tomorrow.
Tomorrow? We can go and see. You experience. I think by tomorrow we should go down this way. You know? Yeah. Let's go. Okay, guys. Wow, super amazing. Yeah, it's by God's grace to be here, and maybe my videos could be my evening routine, you know, walking here. Yes. Evening routine. Oh, I see the shot right there. Let me go ask. One shot. Yeah. There. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, because the place that we are staying, it's, be careful. The place that we are staying, it's near the swimming pool. Okay guys, I want to go to other side. At this moment, okay. Let me see which one is the best. Oh my god. Come closer, choose for me the best. Habari? Kuna zaidi ya hizi? Wapi? Aya. Let's see guys. Yes guys, I need something legit. Hizi tu ndio ziko.
Size yako, size number 2.
Kiuno ni 30.